The new camera button, endless customization options, new editing tricks, and mind-blowing features like 48 megabyte photos, 4K slow-motion videos. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are filled with a lot more pro features. I will tell you the best tips and tricks. Let's get started with something exciting that's transformed the way your photos look. It's called Styles Pad. When you open your camera, you'll see this exciting new option. At first glance, it might seem like just another set of filters, but trust me, it's so much more than that. Here's what makes it unique. Each style has its own interactive pad. Swiping up or down adjusts the brightness of your photo or video, while swiping left or right tweaks the colors. But that's not all. There's also a slider that lets you control the intensity of the style. The results? Incredible. Want a black and white classic look? Swipe to that style. Prefer something retro and luminous? You've got it. Or maybe you're going for that cozy, sentimental vibe. There's a style for that too. Now, let's say you love a style but want to tweak it to better match your vision. That's where Edit Styles comes in. You can head back into the Styles section to make edits anytime, whether it's fine-tuning the colors, adjusting the brightness, or dialing down the intensity. You can customize the style to match your unique aesthetic. Once you've made those changes, apply them instantly to your photos and videos. So, no more one-size-fits-all filters. This is editing on your terms. Camera control button. With a single hard press, it instantly opens your camera. Press again to snap a photo, or hold it down to start recording a video. And yes, it works in selfie mode too. What's great is that you can take selfies using the main cameras for higher quality shots. With a single light press, you can access zoom controls. Swipe left to zoom in or right to zoom out. It's smooth and intuitive. Double light press? That brings up even more camera options, including quick access to your favorite styles. More interesting thing about this is, you can change the press sensitivity of this button. For this, head over to Settings, then go to Accessibility. Find Camera Control, tap on it, and change the sensitivity to firmer. Or adjust the press speed to slow. This way, you'll only activate the controls when you really mean to. From now onwards, it won't open camera when you accidentally press the button. Here's a fun customization trick. You can change what the camera control button does. Go to Settings and select Camera. Here, tap on Camera Controls. From there, you can assign new functions like opening the QR code scanner for quick scans, or even launching a Snapchat camera directly. It's a little change that makes a big difference in how you use your phone. Let's move into Maps, where things just got a whole lot smarter. You can now create custom walking routes. Start by typing in your destination or tapping anywhere on the map. Choose Directions, switch to walking mode, scroll down, and select Create Custom Route. Whether it's sightseeing or hiking, add points along the way, and Maps will build your route for you. You can even set your route to a reverse, out and back, or closed-loop design for a tailored experience. Next, get ready for some mind-blowing visuals with 4K Super Slow-Mo. Open your camera, then switch to slow-mo mode. At the top, enable 4K and set the frame rate to 120 frames per second. Now record your video. After recording, open the video and photos, then go to Edit, and adjust the speed to create stunning slow-motion clips. Then at the top, tap on Done to save, all in crispy 4K resolution. It's like having a high-end slow-motion camera in your pocket. Next, here's one for the content creators, Audio Mix. When editing a video, here tap on Audio Mix icon. You can now choose from different audio profiles like In Frame, Cinematic, and Studio. You can use sliders to erase background noise. Starting with apples, you want to look for ones with a firm texture and vibrant color. The skin should be smooth, without any bruises or soft spots. Whether you're making a vlog or a tutorial, this feature ensures your audio is as professional as your visuals. Let's unlock the full potential of your camera with 48 megapixel photos. By default, photos are taken at 24 megapixels, but you can enable 48 megapixel shots in settings. Here, go to Camera. Then find Formats and tap on it. Turn on Pro RAW and Resolution Control. Make sure Pro default in Pro RAW Max. Now open the camera. Then at the top, toggle the new RAW Max option. Now you can take your pictures in 48 megapixels with incredible details. Next, no more annoying ads. Inside Safari, you'll find a game-changing feature called Hide Distracting Items. Here's how it works. While browsing a website, tap on the Options menu and select Hide Distracting Items. Then, simply tap on any ad or distracting element. Then tap on Hide. Poof! It disappears instantly. This works across most websites like Google, YouTube, or Reddit, giving you a clean, distraction-free browsing experience. Next, Control Center Customization. This update is all about flexibility. Open your control panel, press the plus button, and start customizing. You can move icons anywhere you want, resize or remove any icons, add new controls like the shortcut control, which can open any app on your phone. For instance, imagine assigning a shortcut to Chrome browser. Anytime you tap on the shortcut icon, it opens instantly. But it doesn't stop there. You can even change the entire layout of your control center. Whether you want a neat icon grid, a compact list design, or a bold tile setup, you can style it to match your personality. Next, with icon tints, you can now match your app icons to your wallpaper for a seamless look. Tap and hold on your home screen, select Edit, tap on Customization, and choose the Tinted App Icons option. Then, use the color picker to match your icons perfectly with your wallpaper. You can even toggle between small and large styles. Personally, I love the large icons. It removes the text and gives your home screen a sleek, modern look. Next, let's talk about privacy. You can now lock and hide individual apps using Face ID. Here's how. Long press on any app. In the pop-up option, select the Require Face ID option, then enable it. And you're done. The next time someone tries to open that app, they'll need your face to get in. As the same, if you tap on the Hide and require a Face ID, it hides the apps on your iPhone. This feature is a lifesaver for keeping sensitive apps like banking, notebooks, or messaging extra secure. And finally, Apple introduces the AI feature called Apple Intelligences. This feature brings revolutionary changes across all apps. In the messaging app, it adds Genmoji, which helps create your own customized stickers. This also introduces an additional app called Image Playgrounds. This app can create customized photos of you and your friends from the gallery. The biggest advancement is visual intelligence. You can use this to discover basic information about interesting things you see. The next thing is writing tools. You can make use of these tools to enhance your writing by suggesting style improvements, grammar corrections, and even creative ideas for your texts and emails. For detailed information about Apple Intelligence, click on the link above. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel.